Hi guys, this is Forex with Romeo, and this is yet again another one. I just have to go. I'm just going through the market and I'm seeing what might be a reason why, how it will come back, how it will retrace, how it will go against you and such. And then I come across this one that shows a high here. The same formation for uptrend, up, the same, doing the same thing, up, down, and then an up move. It confirms that I'm in a uptrend, and then this is what happens. The market can sometimes retrace. This is either the 50% retracement, and this is where you don't want to enter the market without a stop loss, because in its retracement it might just not be a retracement, it might be a complete down move, or it might be a retrace and a move back up. So I'm just using this 1 minute to kind of explain the strategy, kind of explain it on the 1 minute, because the 1 minute does it well. It takes long in the 15 minutes, it takes long in the 30 minutes in what to explain it. So I'm doing the up, down, up move, and then 50% retracement. So if you have entered your trade for a buy here, it would have went up or down against you. So let's just see what the 1 minute says on this up. Is it still an uptrend or is it coming down against me? So let's see. 1 minute can explain it better, but doesn't mean 1 minute is better. 1 minute can explain it. It's just a couple of minutes to wait and see. If it's still an uptrend, this is where you consider your stop loss to be. At this levels here is where you consider your stop loss to be. Maybe a stop loss that says a little bit below it, because sometimes it can come back, take liquidity, and go back up. So just below that a little bit to be a stop loss, or exactly at that point to be the stop loss. And as you can see, the market went back up and confirms that it's still a buy. So there we go with that one. So this one under I cannot explain, because currently I don't know. I set supply there, and if it's above supply it should come back down to a demand. So this one is not used to show supply and demand or overbought or oversold, but it's just to show that the market is trending higher. And if it's low, if the market is trending to the lows, it's selling. If it's this side, it's buying. If it's there, that's another way to confirm. And let me just go to where my TP should be on this trade, because that's the interesting part. You enter a trade for the interesting part to actually go out of the trade with something. So that's the horizontal line that I place, and then the vertical. Okay, and then this one that I placed there, and then where the market crosses. So this is what the market did, where it crosses there. That's why I expect the market to go take me out for TP. So, but right now what the market did is, in the 1 minute, it went up showing that it's an uptrend, and it came back down. But now it shouldn't break this line to be still considered an uptrend. So let's see. It's either the RSI shows that it comes back a little bit and goes into neutral. I expect at least it's neutral for me. It's at 42 here. So when it shows neutral, then it moves back up. So currently, as you can see, for me, just for me, I guess it came back. It didn't go back into it yet, but it's showing that it's neutral. When it moves back in the supply and demand middle, then it has to shoot back up, proving that it's an uptrend. So let me just see what it does and then confirm my trade with it. From here the market can go back up and it should touch this line. Anyway, it touches this line, I consider it as a TP reason. Anyway, it touches that line, I consider the TP reason. So as the market looks like this, anyhow the market can go touch that line is only in a spike. It should spike up to consider that a real touch of that line. It should be a spike up because it has been consolidating at that space now. But so far, there we go with this trade set up and analysis on it in the 1 minute. And finally, there comes something like a spike, Similar to a spike is that movement upwards. So just have to wait and see if the market will come stop me out here, or will the market continue to be an uptrend. The safe part is, for me, is not to put a stop loss, but to where you enter the trade is to make sure your leverage, your margin percentage is not above or is not below 200, and then you trail, you put a break even in your trade. I consider that to be the best way, but sometimes that's why I blow my account, because I'm still perfecting that reasoning. To not put a stop loss, but to break even in the trades. That's why you see me blowing my accounts. But this is why I test my account. So you see me blowing, you're like, this guy is not the best. He's not good at trading. No, it's okay. Finally, we'll see. Just backtest what I'm trying to say here, guys, and you'll see my reasoning why I'm still pushing for this. Why I'm still rooting for Forex it's a small account, but this is where I grow my small accounts, guys. This is how I normally grow my small account, and you don't want to miss me growing this account. So just check my videos, just check my videos and subscribe, and you don't have to pay anything to subscribe. Soon I'll make my subscription payable, so you have to pay to subscribe. Yeah, that would be nice. I mean, I'm kidding. Jeez. This is Forex Romeo, and as you can see, time is gone, time is there, up and there, and the market just didn't go up, right? It's just consolidating at that place, but in that consolidation, it shows that the market created this level here as a neutral. It came down to this level, and if the market closes there, I consider this market to be neutral, and then it has to move back up. But when it's neutral, it can also consider the sell. Okay, nice. The market came down to this demand, supply and demand, and in the middle of it, you create a neutral, right? The market is now neutral, so it has no direction, it has no up, no down. So now it has to move back up, going to the line that I've placed, showing that the market just received new buyers or something. Just became the strength. It came to zero, and now the strength is reconfirming itself. But I'm just talking based on this. It's not even the best thing that's out there, so I'm just trying to perfect and have reasons. I'm just reasoning with the market right now, and why to believe this RSI in the future. Why to believe it? Where will I believe the RSI in the future? Because it just became neutral and now it has to show, will it confirm the buy or will it come down to a sell? And if it comes down to a sell, which means sellers are stronger. Up till that consolidation, sellers became stronger or it became neutral, and then it confirmed that the buyers are stronger, became neutral, and they confirmed that the sellers became stronger. So let's see, based on the demand and supply what I placed there. So without much being explained on this one, this is Forex Romeo, and nothing much to show. You already know what I've explained on this chart. So most of you are better traders than I. Hopefully you do better than I, and why not? I mean, I consider myself a very good blower of accounts. I don't exit my trade when I have reasoning. When I have reasoning with my charts, I don't exit my trade, and sometimes it pays off, sometimes it doesn't pay off. So sometimes I'm like, wow, if I could have exited this trade, I couldn't have gained as much. And sometimes I'm like, I should have just exited. So like Forex is just the same, guys. Don't say you should have done this, you should have done that. This is an encouragement from someone like me. Don't say you should have exited this trade while you still have profit. Don't say you should have closed it or you should have entered more buys. No, just do it. That's why I blow my accounts. I'm just doing it at the spot. I'll be seeing the market going against me and like, aha, I have reasons why I should enter sell. Oh, I have reasons why to enter buy. It's against me, but let's go. Buy, yeah. And there we go. That's how I made a lot, and that's how I lost a lot, and that's how you have to know. You have to know. I'm waiting for the spike. I'm waiting for the up spike because consolidating at that space only tells me that that level could be an area of resistance. So it's resisting, so it's softening that space until it softens it more, and then boom, out of it, right? But it's a lot of candlesticks there, so I'm expecting the market to soon. Over the last 5-10 minutes, it didn't do anything, I guess. 13 minutes, wow, jeez. Okay, but soon. So we'll call this a 20-minute video, just checking this chart, just looking at this chart and hoping that in the next 7 minutes it does it. Or should I pause the video and then just show you the results? I guess I'll be pausing this video and it's 17th minute. So when it reaches 17 minutes and it didn't do anything, oh my god, I think it just did it. I mean, the market just came down. It came to a demand. You see, the market was at the neutral and then it sold down to a demand. And now the demand is somewhere there. You see, the market came down. Did it break the space? Actually, it came to test it. I'm not sure if it broke it. The market actually did it. If you had your stop loss there, the market came and broke it, right? That's why I have reasons to have a more down, even downer than that. Because now the market is surely going back up, boom, back up. But now it came to take you out. Beyond other beliefs, the market is surely came down. Before the market fits me other beliefs, the market came down and it broke this level where your stop loss might have been, and then you see the market is now showing signs of going back up, right? Or it might just come back down, but now it just came down to this level. the half. It came to demand, it broke demand, and it's now going to oversold my, yeah, where I put my oversold, guys. It's not oversold, but yeah, there we go. It confirms that it's a down, but the market is just breathing. It has a breathing room. That's what I call it. The market is having a breathing room to shoot back up. So let's see. There's no, on the 70th minute I'll pause the video, I guess. So I'll just have to remind myself, pause the video 17th minute. And if you didn't have stop loss like me, you'll be like not being stopped out in this market here when it came down, because the market might just do that before going back up. That's the reasoning I have. So let's also see if it can be confirmed, if my reasoning can be confirmed. But sometimes the market does that and still goes against you for a couple of pops. And if your free margin, if your margin levels are below 200, sometimes you just blow your account before it goes back in your direction. So technically this is what I'm doing. I have reasoning to believe that this market is still going up, right? Because it didn't actually close below it, it just wicked inside of it, and now, and just that wick could mean your market has went against you and you're stopped out before the up move. So let's see what the market offers now and then conclude. And with conclusion, I would say the market is really going back up. 17 minutes, I guess. It's 17 minutes now. We pause the video and wait and see, maybe till it reaches TP, and then we conclude, and this is how far it goes. Okay, this is enough reasoning to say that the market is really didn't break my didn't go to my stop loss, but it just wicked inside of it, and now you see the market going back up. And yeah, I just made this video because of that little kind of big move up. Maybe it's about to make a bigger move up, so I was like, why not capture the moment of that? So there we go. The market is kind of like moving at the same space, but it's confirming to go up to where the TP is right now. So just based on this, I'm like, now the market is moving up, right? Then I use this confirmation, this strategy, everything to say there's reason to believe that the market will not come down much, but it has a more upward momentum. And that's how, but we will continue to still pause the video. 18 minutes, let's pause the video and then show more reasoning to TP. So pause. The video that I wanted to explain just took its time, and now I'm not in the mood, guys. I wanted to explain it, but look, I've waited for this market just to do the break and go above, and now it's still just trying to confirm it, but it's not confirming it. It's not confirming it, but it's okay. For those who know what I tried to mean, those that saw my previous videos would understand where my TP, why I say to go that side, and yeah. So without any much more reasoning, I think I was just gonna make this video a short one, and this is how far it goes. The market was supposed to do it, but it didn't. From here, I was expecting the market to break and go to the TPs here, but it didn't. Instead, the market came down, testing my entry. going to my stop where stop loss would be, and moved back up, came back down for 90. What are you, boss? Rejoice. Oh, it's you. So, okay, I posted this video for too long now. I was just supposed to make a short video, but it became a long video. We never predict it. We didn't know it would be this long. So, but now it confirms, right? It went up. It came to that levels. It came down. Okay. The market came down, went up, came down, went up. Actually, that's what it did. It didn't completely break this level. That's where your stop loss, if you would have placed stop loss, that's where your stop loss is. But that's why I don't want to put stop loss, get stopped out before it goes in your direction for this trade. Unless if I have entered entry reasons on these levels, I enter and then I wait for a break even. Right now, as you can see with my account here, I can already think of placing break even somewhere here. Then I know if this market comes against me, it's nothing. That's where my break even might be, or these levels. Then I know I have more chance of being in the market when the market turns against me. There we go. This is a long video now, so see you in the next one. All the best and shalom.